arrested for rash and negligent driving, creating panic and causing noise pollution. These cars were seen standing in a row near the Kanathur police station in the outskirts of Chennai. Police suspect the drivers were participating in a race. They've been charged with speeding and endangering the life of others. However, these drivers put out their own video today saying that they were held absolutely without any reason.
Yeah, today morning, as you all will be aware that we've been stopped on the ECR by the cops here who have, stopped us with all the supercars today morning, and apparently they have put up a news on TV saying that we have been betting and all that, and we have been racing on the road. We have stopped right here before the toll, the ECR toll here. We have been stopped. And they say we have been racing just because they don't understand the concept of a supercar being loud. They don't understand. We've been harassed since 6 a.m. in the morning, thinking that, none of the cops have any proper reason of actually letting people go.
We are right here outside the Kanathur police station, and this is the place where the luxury cars have been impounded and they have been kept under the custody in the police station. These are 10 luxury cars, and sources in the police department say the total worth of these cars will be approximately 50 to 60 crores. These cars were impounded yesterday on charges of overspeeding and rash driving, and this took place on the famous East Coast Road, one of the most scenic routes in Chennai that connects Chennai to Puducherry. And the police impounded these cars at ECR for over speeding as well as rash driving. The police say that the cars are under the custody, and the motor vehicles inspector will inspect the car, and then later it will be produced in the court. All the 10 accused have been released on bail, and these are between 22 to 25-year-old men who are involved in various business activities. And the police say there is an increase in the number of accidents on ECR, and they are cracking the whip on overspeeding. And these are luxury cars which has very high decibel when they go on the road, and they have received complaints from the residents here, and also because they found that the cars have been overspeeding, they have been impounded, and the owners have been arrested. However, all the cases are a bailable offence, so all the 10 owners of the car have been released on bail, and the cars are kept under the custody of the police.
Time for another short break now. We'll come back with more on the other side. Stay tuned.